Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. It's a little bit darker here, but just because today I want to show you this camping lamp, this rechargeable camping lamp that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta say, this thing is pretty cool, not only because the shape is actually really cool and it looks awesome, but also because it comes with, oh, it's all windy too, so I hope that the wind is not like messing up with my audio. But what I wanted to tell you today is that this one comes with 4,500 milliamps hour, so it is rechargeable, but it's also gonna give you a really good amount of juice just to get you through the night if you're going camping, fishing, hiking, going to the beach, or just like playing with your kids outdoors or something like that. But this one comes with a button over here, which is gonna be touch, so you can actually have the 4 light modes in this one, which is gonna be kind of like the cozy one, but you have 4 lights modes that goes kind of like ramping up the light in this one. It is actually quite powerful, and it also has a really good feature that it is entirely waterproof. So this camping light over here, it is IP67, so it is waterproof. You can use it outdoors and you can get up in the rain or something like that, so you won't have any issues. Right here is going to be the button that I was just telling you before. So this one is going to be kind of like the cozy one, and then light mode number 1, number 2, and number 3. And then at the bottom, let me see if you can see it a little bit more. Right here, you're gonna find what is gonna be kind of like a hook. It has like a little bit of, I can't grab it right now because it's super dark, but it kind of like has a hook to actually hang it. And from here, you're gonna find the USB-C port to recharge. But I have to say, again, this one is pretty cool. It is waterproof. It comes with the 4 lighting modes. It is rechargeable and with 4,500 milliamps hour, meaning again that this one is going to give you enough juice. So I gotta say that this one could be a really cool gift for someone that likes the outdoors. But if you're into camping, hiking, fishing, and things like that, you can actually use this one yourself and take it out on the go. And of course, everyone is going to ask you, where did you get it? Because it is super, super cool. So one more time, I like it. I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.